Lindsay, and in this video I'm going to show you how we are going to replace the charging port for this tablet. Very easy. This is a charging port and you can purchase this on eBay or Amazon relatively cheap. So I'm going to show you how we can do so now. You want to make an opening in the back, and then you want to so we have the charging port here, as you can see here. We're going to remove these two screws. So that's how you remove the port. So I'm just about testing the tablet. I just plug in the charger. So yeah, everything seems to be legit. As you can see, the charging port right there, and the tablet is charging, and this is our defective charging port. Just to let you know that you can test these as well, and you can do so by plug in the charger there and use a multimeter and test the pin to see if you are getting anything from it. Yeah, so you want to test it with one of these and you want to see if you're getting anything from it, and then you can even test it before installing it to make sure that it is working. So yeah, I'm Lens. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop a comment in the comment section if needed. I'm out.